Hello and welcome to Indian Markets Unveiled, the podcast where we decode the Indian financial markets. The entire week was very choppy for the Indian markets and we witnessed constant volatility during the entire week. Let us understand how the markets performed. Listen to our Friday podcast and get ready for the coming week. A quick reminder to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our daily insights. Hello everyone. We have a lot to cover today, but before that, we are happy to inform that our exclusive research is giving fruitful returns to our customers. If you wish to avail the same, we invite you to join us. Let's begin by taking a quick look at the Indian markets. The Friday session was volatile just like the entire week. India's benchmark stock indices declined to end lower for the fourth day after swinging between gains and losses through Friday. Auto and PSU banking sectors rose in trade, whereas the pharma and healthcare sectors declined. The headline indices dropped after 3 weeks of advances, the steepest fall since the week ended February 24, 2023. Coming to the closing of the Friday session, just like every other session during the week, even the Friday session closed with downtrends. Sensex closed at 66,000 levels, around 221 points down, whereas Nifty did see a downtrend of around 68 points and closed at 19,674 levels. Again, the declines were coming all the way from the global markets and the domestic markets, where we did see concerns and challenges coming from global as well as domestic fronts. European stocks declined and the US equity futures pared gains as the prospect that central banks will keep interest rate high to fight inflation hurt sentiments. If we try and understand the performance of the market during the week, for the entire week the market recorded its biggest weekly loss in last 7 months, snapping a 3-week winning streak with the Sensex and Nifty down around 3% each. The Bank Nifty index was down more than 3%, while the Nifty mid-cap lost around 2% this week. Except PSU Bank Index, all sectoral indices posted weekly losses. Talking about PSU banks, the PSU bank saw strong buying following JP Morgan's announcement of India bond inclusion, while pharma and metals were the major sectoral losers during the week. Market breadth also favored declines as about 1,747 shares rose, while 1,779 shares fell and 143 shares were unchanged. During the trading session, Power Grid, Asian Paints, Coal India, NTPC, HDFC Life were the top Nifty gainers, whereas HDFC Bank, Ultratech Cement, Dr. Reddy's, Wipro were the biggest laggards. Taking a look at the broader markets, Berger Paints, REC, PFC, Union Bank, Canara Bank led gains in the mid-caps. On the flip side, GNFC, Syngene, Zydus, Godrej Properties were the worst hit among mid-caps. So if we try and understand the crux of the market in brief, this was a challenging week. The broader market indices were ending on a mixed note. Nifty, Bank Nifty and Sensex saw concerns. Mid-cap index was down. However, the small-cap index tried to support the markets. Taking a look at the sectors, all the major sectors were seeing challenges and concerns, wherein we did see pharma sector decline around 3%, metal sector decline around 4%, and real estate sector also saw declines of around 4%. Again, FMCG, energy, auto and IT sector also did close on a weaker note, and during the week also the performance was challenging. Chances are that the bottom line pressure will sustain as markets have seen concerns both due to global and domestic factors. Now that we'll be entering into a fresh week, let us understand the important triggers for Monday, which is 25th of September. On 25th of September, there is going to be a lot of triggers which are to be noted. JSW Infra IPO will open with a price band of around 113 to 119 per share. Updater Services Limited IPO will also open on Monday, the price band of which is 280 to 300 per share. Ratnavir Precision Engineering Limited quarterly results will be posted on Monday, and also Vishnu Prakash R. Punglea results will be posted on Monday. Strides Pharma board meet on CDMO business is slated to take place on 25th of September. Also, Sheela Foam board meet will be taking place on Monday, where the company will decide QIP issue price. L&T buyback is slated to close on Monday, the buyback price of which is 3,200 rupees. And at the end, CRM Silk buyback will open on 25th September, the buyback price of which is 720 rupees. Looking at the currency market, rupee strengthened 15 paise at 82.94 against the US dollar, which gave strength. So this is how the truncated week looked like for Indian markets, wherein the benchmark indices failed to sustain gains and ended lower for the fourth straight session in a row. Trade remained volatile as the market seesawed between gains and losses. And by the day's end, we did see a lot of volatility, wherein PSU banks and automobiles managed to sustain early gains, while information technology, metals, and pharma remained under pressure. So all in all, that is what the market trend looked like on the Friday session. In uncertain scenarios, one needs to be extremely cautious. Taking the right decision is what will give you an upper edge. Research is the backbone of successful portfolio creation. Wealth creation is an art we understand. We have our exclusive research services, which is proven to be successful. Our research services has a success ratio worth having a look at. To avail our exclusive services, we invite you to join us. Just click on the link below and that's it. Fill in your basic details and our team will reach out to you. Let us together explore the world of wealth creation. Thank you.